Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the NauticStar 227 XTS bay boat. This boat is equipped with the seafoam green hull side. Going on towards the back, you'll see this boat is equipped with the Yamaha 200 horsepower outboard engine. This boat also has trim tabs. Engine's outfitted with the stainless steel prop. It's a nice boarding ladder, swing platform. This boat is equipped with 3 jump seats across the back. Has a nice upgraded lean post with rocket launchers and bolster seats. Has an Igloo 94 quart cooler. Looking forwards at the helm, you'll see the Simrad. See nice rocker switches for all your instruments. Controls for your trim tabs. This boat has a nice white powder coated T-top with more rod holders on the back. Walking forwards to the bow. Plenty of space up front for fishing. Forward live well. Tackle storage. Got rod lockers. Nice bow seat. Nice deck space for a trolling motor. And it's pre-wired for a quick release. For more information on this boat, please visit us at MarineMax.com or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.